Hey, good morning, physical science students. I am going to talk real quick about your Wednesday schedule. So today is Wednesday, September 16th. I am in your physical science course. I'm going to scroll down to week 3. So here's Wednesday. You're going to take some attendance, and you have 2 assignments here to do. One is a formative quiz. We were going to do that on Monday and Tuesday, and we just went a little long, so make sure you are working through that formative quiz. Review first. Make sure you review first. If you don't review first, it's going to be tough for you. So honestly, I would go all the way back to week 2, peruse some of those days on week 2. Think about what we've been doing, think about the car race, go through those notes again, and then take this short formative quiz. After you do that quiz, you have this DK laws of motion. There's a link in there which is going to take you to a website, and basically I'll actually click in here right now. There's a website that you're going to go to, and it's right here, and there's all these different links to click on, and each link leads you to just a little bit of reading and some animations and stuff like that, and kind of go through the 3 laws of motion. And then inside of that website there's a forces and motion quiz. So it's just a quiz that is part of that website. You need to get at least 80% on the quiz, and you can take it again and again, and I want you to get at least 80% on this quiz. Once you get that, take a screenshot that includes your score. So there's a link here if you're confused about how to do a screenshot, so take a look there. Create that screenshot of your 80% on the quiz or higher, and then down here you are going to insert an image or media and then just paste that screenshot in there. So you may have to save the screenshot to your computer and then attach the file right there. Make sure you click review answers and then the blue submit button after. So that is your DK laws of motion formative. Alright. As always, make sure you are asking questions. We're getting down to the end. So this laws of motion is a little bit of a preview for what we're doing next. Make sure you take the acceleration quiz. Make sure you review. On Thursday and Friday we will have our motion summative. So any questions, send me an email, drop me a message through Schoology. You've got my Google Voice. It's right here, so you can send a text message. I will definitely let you know how to help. So again, have a great day, and we'll see you all on Thursday and Friday.